The Subaru XT Turbo was introduced in 1985 as a bold step to reposition Subaru in a more upscale and technologically advanced market. Conceived largely by Subaru of America, it was developed as a halo car designed to attract new buyers and raise the brand's profile beyond its reputation for practical, inexpensive vehicles. Unlike previous Subaru models, the XT emphasized style, aerodynamics, and cutting-edge technology. The XT's most striking feature was its design. With sharp, wedge-shaped lines, pop-up headlights, and a drag coefficient of just 0.29, it was marketed as the most aerodynamic production car sold in the United States at the time. For perspective, the Audi 5000 had a coefficient of 0.33, and even the Pagani Huayra supercar, decades later, reached only 0.31. The body was extensively tested in wind tunnels, with design input influenced by aerodynamicist Alex Tremulis, famous for work on aircraft and land speed record cars. Under the hood, the XT was offered with several powertrains over its production run from 1985 to 1991. The early cars used the 1.8-liter EA82 flat 4, available in naturally aspirated form with 97 horsepower, or turbocharged as the EA82T with 111 to 112 horsepower and 143 pound-feet of torque. Later, Subaru introduced the 2.7-liter ER27 flat 6, producing 145 horsepower and 156 pound-feet of torque, known in XT6 models. Transmission options included a 5-speed manual or 3- and 4-speed automatics. Most turbo versions featured Subaru's selectable all-wheel drive system, allowing drivers to switch between front-wheel drive for economy and all-wheel drive for traction at the push of a button. The XT also stood out for its technology. Features included height-adjustable pneumatic suspension, a digital dashboard, a trip computer, and futuristic pod-mounted controls. The instrument cluster and control pods even tilted with the steering column, creating a cockpit-like experience. Higher trims added electronic displays with animated graphics, cruise control, air conditioning, and power accessories, making the XT one of the most advanced Japanese cars of its era. Despite its innovations, sales fell short of expectations. Nearly 100,000 units were built across 2 generations, marketed as the XT and XT6 in North America, Vortex in Australia and New Zealand, and Alcyone in Japan. Competing coupes like the Honda Prelude and Toyota Supra offered more power and sharper handling, limiting the XT's mainstream appeal. Today, the Subaru XT Turbo is a cult classic, especially among radwood and retro car enthusiasts. Its unusual styling, advanced features, and rarity have secured it a niche collector following. Modified examples often achieve power levels far beyond factory specifications, proving the strength of its engineering. From its origins as Subaru's first dream car to its present status as an icon of 1980s automotive design, the AWD XT Turbo remains one of the most distinctive cars the brand has ever built.